The arrest follows series of intelligence-led operations carried out by personnel of the command across various parts of Kaduna State. The suspects were apprehended while attempting to dispose vandalized electrical generator parts belonging to Kauru General Hospital in Pambegua. Items recovered from them include: number one, electrical generator casing, bunch of copper wires damaged. In a similar vein, the command special response team intercepted vandals of telecommunication masts meant for rural telephoning programs at Kaduna Switching Center. However, the vandals took to their heels, but the corps was able to recover the vandalized mass. As you can see, I, Commandant Panam Musa Buba, condemn the criminal acts, describing them as deliberate sabotage against national development and the well-being of citizens. I'd like to reaffirm the Corps' unwavering commitment to the protection of all critical national assets and infrastructure in line with its core mandates. Vandalism of critical infrastructure not only causes huge economic loss, but also undermines essential services that affect the lives of millions. The Corps will continue to pursue and bring to justice all individuals or groups involved in such unpatriotic activities. The suspects are currently undergoing thorough investigation and will be charged to court upon completion of the investigation. Mun kama su da kayan asibitin sun ɗibi kayan sun je a wurin sayarwa ne muka kama su. Still pursuing the suspects. Other suspects are on the run. And also, the suspects at hand were taken. And
without his press print.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Muka biyo su muka samu kayayyaki wanda kuma shi ma ya So, gentlemen of the press, part of the generator and electrical cables that were found there also.